So there are a lot of different companies that make things, make Hot Wheels product, and it's not made by Mattel. So always keep that in mind. These are done by the Thermos company. They do all of the thermoses. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we got something really cool. As you can tell just by looking around, I like all of the different accessories and different things that came with Hot Wheels, along with Hot Wheels. And today we're going to talk about the Lunchboxes. This is 1969 Hot Wheels metal lunchbox, and this is a 1969 plastic lunchbox. Some of you may know, some of you may not know, but the plastic lunchbox came in Canada. And it's a little bit different. Actually, it's a lot of different than the one that was here in the U.S. Now, this one here it's been up on my shelf for, man, I can't tell you how many years. And it is not my original one. It actually belonged to some kid named Sean. I got this a long time ago, and it's in pretty decent shape. I haven't really gone crazy cleaning it up, but I really didn't want to mess with it. But yeah, it is metal. It's got the clasp or the hasp or whatever you want on it. Now I have put newspaper in there. I wonder, what's the year on that? 1998. All right. But that's when I had the thermos inside of it, so it wouldn't roll around. And there is a metal band that goes in this to hold the thermos down, which I don't have. I never knew that. I'm gonna have to go find one of them. But here are the graphics on the front of the metal one. And here is the thermos. We're going to put that over here for a minute. The graphics on this one, on the metal one, are the same as the Canadian one, but this one is a sticker. And let's see, what's it say here? Trademark, registered by Mattel, incorporated 1969. And is this one the same? No, there's nothing on here for the trademark. On the back. And it says Hot Wheels is a U.S. registered trademark of Mattel, Inc. for its toy cars, used under license from Mattel, incorporated 1969 Mattel, Inc. The Thermos Division, King Sealy Thermos Company. All right. They are both Thermos brand. All right. And they are licensed by Mattel to do that. So there are a lot of different companies that make things, make Hot Wheels product, and it's not made by Mattel. So, always keep that in mind. These are done by the Thermos company. They do all of the thermoses, thermos stuff, lunchboxes, G.I. Joe and Polly Pocket and who knows, my goodness, just about everything. So, but yeah, these are made by the Thermos company. I don't have a thermos for this one here, but it is complete. I don't know what thermos comes with it. Probably this one right here. This has got the thermos holder in it. So if you have one of these complete, let me know. Send me an email at mikezarnock@aol.com, or leave a message in the comments below. Let us know, what you have. There's only one side, and there's nothing else. Just the sticker. And this seems to be a generic plastic lunchbox. And they put the sticker on it, and that was it. Where this one is all, I think they call it lithograph back then. And every inch of this has some color, some pictures, something on it. So on the back is the green twin mill. On the front is the blue split and image, just like that one there. So this has the thermos has the green twin mill on it. Got some Hot Wheels track on it. The cup and the cap. This one is complete, but I do need the metal thing in there. Never noticed that. Gonna have to go find one of those. And this also says Hot Wheels is a U.S. registered trademark of Mattel Inc. for its toy cars, used under license from Mattel Inc. 1969. Mattel Inc. So there you have that. You have this, and you have this. So if you can find one, I do have another one of these. And the sticker was all messed up, so that's why when I saw this one, I had to have it. And there you go. This one came out of somebody in Oregon had this. I bought it off of eBay, and I got a pretty decent price too. So my extra, but yeah, you can find these. The Canadian ones were plastic, and the U.S. ones were steel. I have, I'm trying to think, there's another Canadian one. Oh, it's right over here. This is Canadian plastic. I wonder why all the Canadian stuff is plastic. Maybe safety back then. I don't know. There is. I'm not going to open this too far. You know, when you see that once the plastic starts getting white, it's going to crack, and I don't want that to happen. Actually, this came from our buddy Brent. He found this at a garage sale and gave it to me. And Brent's a cool guy. And this is the thermos for this one here. You know, I don't know if, what's it say? It's 1973 as the copyright for this thermos here. So it definitely doesn't go with this one. But yeah, I'm going to have to look and see if I can find the correct thermos for the 69 Canadian one. But this is Canadian. And it's the same on the front and the back. And it says Thermos Division, King Sealy Thermos Company, Norwich, Connecticut, USA. And I don't see a date on anything there except for this 1973. So I got a handle and a little bit of dust. But yeah, there you go. That is the other Canadian lunchbox that I have. And there you go. You got anything different? Let me know. Hey, that's what we're here for. We share our information on all the cool stuff that we find in Hot Wheels. So thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. And please subscribe. Click that bell so you know every time that we get a new episode out there. And of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves. And we hope to see you real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.